Hi everyone, our Bible verse for today is Revelation 21:1-5. Ang sabi dito, "Then I saw a new heaven and new earth, for the first heaven and the first earth had passed away, and there was no longer any sea. I saw the holy city, the Jerusalem, coming down out of the heaven from God, prepared as a bride beautifully dressed for her husband. And I heard a loud voice from the throne saying, 'Look, God's dwelling place is now among the people, and he will dwell with them. They will be these people, and God himself will be with them and be their God. He will wipe every tear from their eyes. There will be no more death, or mourning, or crying, or pain, for the old order or things has passed away.'" So sa Tagalog, "At nakita ko na ang isang bagong langit at ang bagong lupa, sapagkat ang unang langit at ang unang lupa ay lumipas na. Ang dagat ay wala na. At akong si Juan, nakita ko ang banal na lungsod na buong Jerusalem na bumaba mula sa Diyos buhat sa langit. Ito ay inihanda ng katulad ng isang babaeng ikakasal na ginayakan para sa kanyang magiging asawa. Narinig ko ang isang malakas na tinig na mula sa langit. Sinabi nito, "Narito, ang tabernakulo ng Diyos ay nasa mga tao. Siya ay mananahang kasama nila. Sila ay magiging mga tao niya, at ang kanilang Diyos mismo ang sumasa kanila, at siya ang kanilang magiging Diyos." So, napakaganda po ng ating verse today. Yung climax nito kasi, kung titignan natin, ang pinaka-climax is yung kasalanan ng tao pinakita dun sa cross ng Kalbaryo. Yung pinaka-climax is yung Diyos mismo nagkatawang tao, pero ginawa ng kasalanan. Mula sa time ng ating Panginoong Jesus, pumasok yung kaharian, lumaganap yung ebanghelyo. Kaya nagsimula yung defeat of the sin, defeat of Satan, and the defeat of evil. Lumalaganap ang kaharian ng Diyos. Yung kaharian ni Satan lumiliit. The future is moving toward Christ's victory. Mas lumalaganap ang kingdom ni Jesus, na-establish yung mga churches, yung kaharian lumalawak, yung tagasunod lumalawak, lumalawak yung nasasakupan ng ating Panginoon. Hindi po totoo na pasama ng pasama yung mundo. Hindi rin totoo na paatras ang Kristyanismo. The future is moving towards Christ's victory. The result of this, nagkakaroon ng perfect creation. The future is moving towards the perfect creation. Hindi totoo na susunugin ng Diyos ang creation. Ang sinasabi sa Bible, restorations and redemption. Ang pupok sa ilang is yung kasamaan, si Satan. The rest is restorations, redemptions. Iriring yung ano ba yung perfect creation na yun? Yun talaga yung desired, yung kumbaga back to the perfect creation na ginawa ni God. Si God naman, hindi siya destroyer. Hindi destroyer ang God natin. Kaya nga nakalagay sa Bible, He is our restorator, redeemer, and healer. Ang talagang focus is to fight evil. Lalo na sa panahon natin ngayon, maraming corruptions. Pero mas lalo na sa panahon ni God dati. So, sobrang tindi ng corruption that time. Pero nakaka-amaze lang kung gaano katibay, kung gaano kalakas yung loob ng mga disciple ni Jesus na ipagpatuloy at ipalaganap yung disciple the nation. So, ang tanong, are you in the winning team? Na kasama mapalaganap yung ebanghelyo. Maraming nagawa simula sa mga disciple ni Jesus para matupad natin yung go disciple the nation. Sa panahon ni Jesus, nilakasan nila yung loob nila na matupad yung nakaatang trabaho sa balikat nila kahit alam nilang hindi madali at napakahirap nun. Marami na silang nagawa, and the body of church is moving forward towards the winning victory of our Jesus Christ. At marami pang gagawin kasi mas lumalawak pa ang responsibility na meron tayo ngayon as a Christians. So follow Christ and be part of the winning team that we have right now. The winning team is focusing on the victory of Jesus Christ. Focus on the hope and the restorations. Ang laman ng isip natin, andun yung future. Yung future na kapag kasama mo si Jesus Christ, you are on the sides of the winning team. Maaring minority tayo sa all areas ng life natin. Pero tandaan mo, when God is with you, when Jesus is with you, you are the majority. You are on the winning side. We continue fight the evil, and we continue to be on the sides of the restorations. So, tanungin mo yung sarili mo, what does it mean for us to be part of the Christ victory? And I want you to open your eyes and mind and your heart that let's fight and be the sides of the winning victory of our Jesus Christ. Thank you everyone, and God bless.